Hi, good morning, yeah. I'm going to show you how to make the tilka laddu. Come on. This is my iron kadai. Previously, we used to use iron kadais and til also iron, and this is also iron. Previously, why they used to use the iron kadai, my mother and all, they used to tell me, when you are cooking, iron will come inside without knowledge, without knowing itself. So always cooking in the iron kadai is the best. Now we are going to make the tilka laddu in iron kadai. Okay. Now you have to roast little dry roast only, no oil, nothing. This is a black sesame, full of iron. Little bit only you have to. Just I'm putting the gas medium. This is also you have to make it with a medium flame only. And it's very tasty also. You're not like that. It's looking black, but when you're eating, so tasty. Oh my God, I can't even tell you that. Don't roast too much also. When you're roasting too much, it will become bitter. So that is, you have to be little bit careful about your doing that one. You have to stand here only for 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes, 5 minutes also, it's enough for that. Sometimes I'll mix white sesame and black sesame both together. That flavor also tastes nice. The smoke is coming now. I'll switch off the gas. Finish. Now take it out and cool down like this. See my iron kadai, totally everybody will ask what is this? This is only iron kadai. Just cool down. I think only 2 minutes job, yeah, very healthy one and iron one. One more thing is, you want to put it in the mixie, that is very easy one, 2 seconds it will over. Otherwise you can do it, and I told you that one also we can make it. But today I am going to do with the mixie only, because very easy poosy one only. My daughter told me, quickly you have to make it, mama, what is long one? So I'll show you both, yeah. Yes, this is cool down now. Carefully you have to put it. I'm using that golden trick only. Yeah. See how we used to do. Careful, careful. I'm showing. Ay, 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 don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Come on. Come, 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 come. Like this only we used to do. பாத்தீங்களா இந்த மாதிரி தான் போடணும். Easy way to do it. See, not even one drop. Okay, now we have to grind this one. Yes. Now remove. What a aroma, my God. My childhood taste is coming back. This is aroma. Now again what we'll do, we'll remove off, okay, because it's very difficult to grind in this. Then hey. Very proudly I told, I'm not wasting, I'm doing very clean and tidy. Again, don't give my hand, yaar. Please. Jaggery. Yes. ಅದು ಬರ್ರು. See, that's all. You have to mix it nicely. You want to add any nuts also you can, but this is the best way to eat more sesame seeds. Yeah, we'll mix it and make the laddus. Little bit it has to be cool down. This is not hot, but anyhow. Now we can make the laddus in this, and especially for hair, some people will have very less hair and thin hair, they are eating every day 1 to 2 laddus, and this is very tasty one also. You, after that you can see your hair is very shiny, and especially the children will be one thin and like this, and no stamina, then no immunity also for them. Then if they are eating this one, oh, just after that, see the children, they are not even walking, they are running only that time. This is why I am telling you, especially I am doing everything, experience, not telling anybody, not trial. This is totally experience me. That's what I'm telling you. Now you people can try and let me know. Enjoy every single moment and make laddu how to. Like this only you have to make the laddu. Hey, that is only important. I forgot here to show laddu, na. And I will eat also. Now, one more, only two ingredients. That is the highlight. Pit. Finish. Next, you want to taste little bit. You can use the ghee. Desi ghee aroma. I'm feeling like latku. I want to eat only. Now, you see this. Small also you can make it. Black sesame laddu. Okay. This is only like this only you have to make. Small one. Otherwise, the big laddu, Ganesh Bhagwan ka laddu also I can make, yeah. See. Quickly. And store it. Keep it outside also, not necessary keeping in the fridge. If you are going out of station and all, there you are not getting proper iron, so you can eat this laddus. Olden days, so everybody used to eat laddus, yeah. Now only they don't know my laddu. Now time for taste, yeah. Labbak, I will eat it like that only. See this one. Now enjoy, okay. Oh my god, so tasty. Now you people can try and let me know. Enjoy single moment.